The moment I entered home, I literally felt like some weight had been lifted off my chest. I just feel that even if everything goes dark, there has to be some space for the light to penetrate and to bring that ray of hope. I can be myself, I can be me, and nothing's gonna happen. So I guess that's the feeling you get at home. I saw this sample flight by chance. And then I was like, this is what I want. Like, that's it, done and dusted.
Hello, how are you? See you finally.
Me too.
Hi. Hi.
Jigu, let him come inside. Come on.
You also come inside. Come. How have you been? Thank you
Welcome.
for inviting us home.
Of course, I had to.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for doing this for me and welcoming you to Nestera Presents At Home with Ashnur Kaur.
Amazing.
So there's a textured wall also.
Yes.
So you tell me, you had decided on this, like this was your plan, whose plan was it?
So, most of the house is mom, but this wall was my plan. Even
Oh,
here
lovely.
we have like a texture
Yes.
wall right here. These showpieces, the center table is all mom. And this picture, yeah. That's why, of course, there has to be some positivity. So, ye Golden Temple ki picture hai. So, this is actually painted. This is not a picture, yeah. That's why it's especially from Amritsar, all the way from Amritsar. Ye detailing and everything that you see, it's all a painting. And इसमें in fact शब्द भी लगते हैं with the remote. So सुबह पाठ के बाद hands जोड़ने वाला sign. So we've customized the switches basically. You can always change it with an app and the colors also. कि red है तो मतलब on है, blue है तो मतलब off है. But I can always, if I'm in the mood to be pink.
और
Oh yes.
ये ना हो तो मतलब
और की.
मैं तो वैसे पीता नहीं हूँ.
मैं भी नहीं पीती हूँ. मेरे dad भी नहीं पीता actually.
Oh, then who is this for?
This is just for aesthetics. And for the guests
My friend.
comes कि of course relatives आ रहे हैं तो यार पंजाबी में ये होता है कि नॉन वेज और अल्कोहल ना तो मतलब खातिरदारी के लिए है.
That's true.
तो खातिरदारी की पूरी तैयारी हो रखी है. खातिरदारी की पूरी what do you say arrangements हैं हमारे घर पे. But yeah, talking about this area, we wanted to keep it a little different. So there's like this small wash basin right here that we, you know, an emergency sink over here right here. बाकी drinks की मुझे इतनी knowledge नहीं है.
अभी हम अंदर आते हैं. This is the living space.
Oh yes, that's the living
And
space.
for a lot of lights, guys.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes. So this painting,
Huh.
it's actually like a 3D painting if you can see.
Yes.
The thing stuck, and there's an actual sword in here engraved in the painting. So
Oh,
that's
yeah.
that's metal. That's
Look at
our
this,
living space.
which is in beige, browns,
White.
and white.
Yes.
I love it. This
Thank
is my favorite combination, by the way.
Even my sheer curtain is actually white.
White and brown.
Yeah. Alexa, living main curtain open.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tech savvy home.
100%.
Should we just open those curtains also?
Let's ask Alexa. Alexa, living sheer curtain open.
Oh my God.
Well, we worked a lot on the roof of the balcony as well. And the sides of the balcony. Because the balcony is like a really spacious one.
Yeah.
So,
It's a luxury in Bombay.
yeah. And this is the kind of balcony I wanted. Like more like a deck sort of thing.
Yeah.
That you can probably enjoy. And Ziggy loves playing here as well. So we had like an entire grass for him and all of that stuff. And
Lovely.
Mom loves her gardening and all of that. So everything in the balcony.
Lovely. If you had to define home, what is a home for you?
Peace, sukoon. As we thought that we really like white. We really like light, beige, white, and a few elements of brown, or like this little thing that we have right here. So we wanted some elements, like say the painting or the
Yeah.
fountain, or probably one wall that's highlighted, the TV wall we'll come to later. But rest of the stuff, we just wanted it to when probably we have our guests coming over and, you know, we have an entire gossip session where there are a lot of people. I'd be like, what happened to this woman? She was okay 2 minutes ago and now she's dancing and jumping like a kid. But that's what I love doing. I love the view in my balcony, and I'm usually funnily upset when it's sunset time. So I'm because for some reason the TV speaker separately and these materials separately. So this is a very special corner for me because these are all the materialistic appreciations that I've gotten over these years.
Which one was your first award?
My first award was this one.
This one?
It is.
Can I help you? Wow.
Oh, it's all dusty.
No problem.
Time to dust. But yeah, this was the most Nanhe Natkat category for Golden Petal Awards. And this I got in 2012, I guess, when I was 7-8 years old.
Wow.
8 years old. Oh, and actually, the video of when I won this award is getting viral these days. Because, as I mentioned, both sides of the walls are utilized for aesthetics so that we can always get a backdrop for different Literally, I mean, I've had this in mind when we were designing the house that every corner should be utilized for some content.
that is the idea of a creator.
Of course, yeah.
किचन में आप जाती हो बहुत
Oh, kitchen.
उधर तो और इधर में.
So everything in the house, we've had like a 2:1 voting system. बहुमत के
ये घर का बिग बॉस के हिसाब से डिजाइनिंग हुई है.
because it's 3 of us है ना, हमारे हर टाइम opinion match नहीं होते. कई चीजों को लेकर होते हैं, like the entire house mostly, but a few things like say for example that lamp over there. That me and mom really liked. Dad did not. This dining table won't disturb him a lot, but that's his little bed. And
this is the kitchen.
that I don't really come to often.
But we are getting you
No,
today.
but
Thanks to you.
of course, it's going to be hospitality. What would you like to have?
Oh, ऐसा है?
हाँ जी, ऐसा है.
I will only have anything that is non-alcoholic.
We have a lot of non-alcoholic options. We have Coke, we have Red Bull.
Coke is
Coke.
a better option. Yes.
Like that's Coke. You?
Thank you. Thank you. ये भी high tech.
Ice, we can get ice from here. Cubes or flaky ice or cold water, and there's a dispenser right here.
Oh, बाप रे बाप.
And this is a cute memory wall that we have.
Where all have you gone to?
This is
Canada,
like a memorial of all the countries I visited.
Abu Dhabi, Melbourne, South Africa, New York, Hong Kong,
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka,
And-
Maldives, and
Yes.
Canada. Which is your favorite place?
Maldives.
Maldives.
I love
What a baby! What a baby! I knew it.
And this
ये high tech kitchen जहाँ पे आप आती नहीं हो वो अलग
मैं
बात
आती
है.
नहीं हूँ. हाईटेक एक्चुअली ये चीज है. The chimney.
ये क्या है? I'm very happy for myself and I'm very upset for my brother cause well now मेरे घर पे भी यही लगेगा. दादा भाई बैंक जाइए.
Oh, it's actually not complete. Mom is not happy with the microwave. She's gonna get an entire baking system. Can I tell you, I was such in the kitchen कि मुझसे अगर मैं eggs boil करने के लिए रखूं तो वो भी जल जाते थे. I'm not even kidding, and I'm not even exaggerating. Like literally, that used to be the case.
Lovely.
So of course, this is like a little screen for the camera. So when you rang the bell, I could see it's you, and then I
Lovely.
like yes, Naya, let's go. So this is.
Wow, this is your den.
That's my den. Every girl loves pinks, and this is like just a you can say kind of a walk-in, but not really a walk-in. I call this my vanity. With all the drawers here, my makeup stuff, a nice makeup mirror, and some of my bags. I love perfume.
I can see that you love perfumes and bags and shoes and sneakers and everything else.
Heels, shoes, sneakers.
How many pairs do you own of
Of?
bags of? I can see. Oh, ho, ho. Chashme. देखिए
Never
बस
counted, never
जो बिग बॉस में बिल्कुल अलाउड नहीं होते हैं
Yeah,
पहनना
yeah.
टोपी और चश्मा जस्ट लेटिंग यू गाइस नो इन केस यू डोंट नो
Yeah.
कि टोपी और चश्मा अलाउड नहीं
They
है
didn't even allow
Hoodies.
my face masks. My sheet masks. So you get it? My skin has been deprived.
अभी हम जाएंगे to the prettiest bedroom, the cutest bedroom, because I've seen something which I should rob.
I took
But I
my
with the teddy bear, with the teddy bear in it. So let's go, guys.
Let's go. And this is the only bedroom you're gonna get to see. Not the guest bedroom, not mom dad's bedroom,
Done.
not
Done.
Mooney's bedroom.
Done.
Welcome to my bedroom.
Wow. Lovely. I love this. This is the prettiest bedroom ever.
Thank you.
Kitna cute.
Sit.
You designed this whole
Yes.
space is what you have told.
Yeah. Like my bedroom is totally my thing. Of course, the house mom has done majority of our work, but my room is totally mine. Like I wanted it to again. As I said, I love curves. I love texture. But it still has to be monochrome somehow. A few still gonna add up and change like that chain on my swing. I'm planning to add like a velvet cloth to it and some fairy lights. And then here I'm gonna have in this strip that you see, the rose gold
Yeah.
strip, I'm gonna have a wall mounted lamp, like a
Okay.
circular lamp.
Oh wow.
Like a reading light. So it's because I love reading. You can see I have
Yes.
a book rack right there. So every room has a TV, but it's just my room that does not have a TV but has a book rack.
Oh,
Yeah.
so that's an alternative to TV,
Yes.
which is a great thing.
Yes.
And I can see your YouTube play button.
Oh yes, I started off YouTube essay, you know, कि देखते हैं how it goes, but got so much love, and now that I'm out of the house, I'm gonna take it more seriously.
Please do.
So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. guys.
Absolutely, please do. And there's a guitar, so you sing also.
No, I am the last person to sing. But I love playing the guitar. I mean, right now I have my nails that are gone, so I can't really hold chords. But I can play some of the
swing.
Yes.
This is one of the first times I've seen a transparent. I've actually seen this in your pictures again.
Yes.
And I used to be like, oh wow, this is so cute.
Yeah.
Where did you get this from?
This one store in Bombay, and I actually saw it on Pinterest.
Okay.
And I was trying to find something like this. I was like, I need this in my room. It's not a want, it's a need. Because I love swings. I was actually planning a swing in my balcony, but udhar mujhe itna acha option mil gaya of that circle
Yeah.
right there, that I was like, okay, let's get the swing inside. Because swing to chahiye. Even outside in our main balcony, the
Yeah.
furniture is yet to come, so we're going to have a big swing there as well, like an entire rectangular thing. But here, I think like a solo swing. And when you sit inside it, it feels like a pod, like your mini
It
pod.
does.
And it has a noise cancellation effect. So when you're inside, you're just in your zone, like quite literally.
But he fan. Tell me about this fan. These are in those, you know, those amazing villas and all that you see. And did you also spot it somewhere there? And
So the actual
the
idea,
ceiling also.
the actual idea of the ceiling was to have these again techno savvy, so the automated lights.
Oh.
Yeah, there's another lamp there. There's lighting outside. There's an RGB here if I just want to be in the.
So you have a wardrobe also here.
Yes, that's my
That-
wardrobe.
that's
that
fully yours.
entire thing is my wardrobe, and
What a view!
this is my happy place.
एक बज रहे हैं, by the way.
Yes.
But this city never sleeps.
Now you look at the traffic there. I mean, it's just like it's
What's so peaceful? Still, yeah.
P
it is
zone
so-
and I don't want anyone to disturb me. I go and I sit here. I have my AirPods on. I'm reading my book, staring at the sunset, and that's the vibe.
और मुझे अशनूर ने बोला है कि यहाँ पे एक अच्छा खासा ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल का
Yes.
अरेंजमेंट होगा जहाँ पे शी विल नॉट मूव फ्रॉम दिस
Very pretty.
the kitchen runners, table runners.
And a comforter. This is so nice. This will go so well in my room.
I thought so.
It will go perfectly in my room.
The moment I entered, I was like, this is something.
Fab, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And like I said, that if you need, whenever you need a revamp on your house or whichever part, whichever corner, Nestera is always there for you. And thank you so much, Noor, for doing this.